In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "for security reasons you can't terminate older sessions" error on Telegram. This error usually appears when you try to log out or terminate active sessions from one device. But Telegram's security system blocks the action. It's mainly a protection feature, especially when you're using a new device or when Telegram thinks something about your login is risky. The good news is, there are a few reliable ways to work around it safely, without putting your account at risk. First, open Telegram on the device where you're currently logged in and have full access. This is important because you want to use a trusted device that Telegram already recognizes. Go to the Settings menu. On mobile, you'll usually find it by tapping the three horizontal lines at the top left and then tapping Settings. On desktop, click the three-line menu at the top left and then choose Settings there. Once you're in Settings, look for the Privacy and Security section. Inside this menu, scroll down until you find Active Sessions. This is where Telegram lists every device where your account is signed in, including phones, tablets, and computers. Now, normally, you would tap or click Terminate all other sessions to log out from all devices except the one you're using. However, this is exactly where some people see the error saying, "For security reasons, you can't terminate older sessions." When that happens, don't keep spamming the button. Instead, start by confirming that you're using the latest version of Telegram. Go to your App Store, search for Telegram, and update the app if an update is available. Outdated versions can trigger unexpected errors, including security-related ones. After updating, open Telegram again, go back to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Active Sessions, and try terminating the other sessions once more. If the error still appears, wait at least 24 hours before trying again. Telegram sometimes imposes temporary limits if it detects too many changes or suspicious activity in a short period of time. During this waiting period, do not share your login code with anyone, and avoid logging in and out repeatedly on multiple devices. Keeping your main device stable helps convince Telegram's security system that the activity is legitimate. Finally, if you continue to see the error even after updating and waiting, use the official Telegram support option inside the app to report the issue. Describe that you're seeing the specific "for security reasons you can't terminate older sessions" message when trying to close sessions. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to clear old sessions and regain full control over where your Telegram account is logged in.